Hi, this is a standalone lesson to show you how to use EasyBib to create a Works Cited page for your research papers. Open up a document, name it your Works Cited page. What you're going to do with this is paste it onto the end of your paper when your paper is done. But this should be the place to start. Look up here first where it says add-ons and see if you have EasyBib. I already have it on here. If you don't, you go to Get Add-ons, search for EasyBib, and it'll walk you through it. Right? And you would install it. It's already installed, so we're good. Now you've got a topic, right? We're going to do chocolate. How they make chocolate. So we get some idea. We've maybe already read a Wikipedia article, have some idea about it. So we're going to look for how they make chocolate. What we're doing now is harvesting websites. Looking for websites to that are going to give us some information. How is chocolate made? Let's find the main ingredients. Let's look there. So look, we look at this article, and great. History. It looks like this is going to be good for us. You'd spend a little more time reading the article and seeing if it was going to be good. But we're going to assume that we want it. So go up here to the address bar. Highlight the address. Control C. Go to your paper. And then go to add-ons. Open up EasyBib document, manage bibliography, and in a second, this box opens up here. This is where you're going to put your web address. You see, you can choose book, journal, or website. Well, it's a website, so we want to pick that. Paste in the article. This part here, there are different styles. Right? The main ones, I mean, there's a lot of different styles. The main ones are MLA, APA, or Chicago. And what they do is they format the information in different ways. I'll show you that. We're going to use MLA 8th edition first. Your teacher, your instructor will tell you what style edition to use. So we put in the website, hit search, and yeah, there's our article. Hit select, and that's our citation in MLA format. So let's add the bibliography to the doc. There it is. Works Cited. Let's go get another one. Let's look up chocolate history. History of chocolate. History.com. Good site. Let's use it. Alright, so let's assume that we look through the article. Good article. Control C on the address. Go to the Works Cited page. Make sure it's still on website. And there it is, history of chocolate, history.com. Select. It generates the bibliography. Add the bibliography. I think we just added this one. Yeah, there we go. They go in alphabetical order. It all works out nice. You keep on going. This is how you make the Works Cited page using EasyBib. That's it. Thanks.